Hello all. So today we are going to see how to use Zoom website or other application for video conferencing, web conferencing, webinars, etc., etc., etc. So here in Google, I have typed Zoom, and so it will show me many links over here. I'll be going into the first link over here. As the page loads, you can see over here the front page. You can use if you are new over here, you can sign up, or if you already have an account, you can sign in. For now, I'll be showing you how to sign up. It's free of cost. This is just have to give your email address. You can use your work email address, or you can just use any of your Google addresses. Right now, I'll be using this email address of mine, and I'll give sign up. It might take a bit of time. Now they have sent email on this email address for confirmation. So I have here my email address open. I'll just refresh this page to see for their emails. It might take a little bit of time. If you're not getting an email, you can just ask for resending another mail. They'll just ask you if I'm a robot or not, and then they will just resend it. You can try this. Now again, you can just reload the page. You have here a link from Zoom. You can just activate your account. You can click over here and it will activate your account for free. Now you have to just give your first name, last name, and all such details. You can create any password over here. Okay, we have to use one letter, one digit, one capital, one small. So let's make a combination and fulfill all the password requires. That is 8 characters, one letter, one number, uppercase or lowercase. Should not contain something like this. We have to confirm the password. And there we are. Okay, it's not matching. We'll type it in again. And there we are. Just click on continue, and now they'll ask you. You can invite people over there. You can add your another email addresses, right? Like if you're using it for fixed meetings, you can use their email address, or else you can just skip this step for right now. I'm just skipping it right now. See, okay. So this is my personal meeting URL. I have to share this meeting URL with people whom I want to start. Now if I am scheduling a meeting, after it, click start a meeting right now, and it will launch the impromptu. I have my application over here, so I'll just open Zoom. Here it will open. You can start your own meeting, or you can join meeting. You can join meeting by just putting this URL over here. See, right now I have created this. It will show you this page. This is an invitation URL. You can just copy the URL and you can just send it with any of your social media accounts. Now here it will show you the participants. The host is me. So otherwise, if someone is joining, it will show you over here. You can chat in here. You can chat with everyone, or in private. Private can be host to any participant, or participant to host, not any participant to participant. I can control all the settings over here. I can record the meeting, I can chat, and I can invite people. I can share the screen that I am using right now. So if I do screen sharing, it will show me which screen I want to share. So, and if I want to leave the meeting, I can just close it from here, or just leave that end meeting for all. Or should I be leaving the meeting? If I leave the meeting, then the first participant to join will be the host of the meeting. If I end the meeting for all, it will just close it off. This is a free trial pack right now for Zoom. Zoom is not free, of course, but Zoom is one of the most used video conferencing website, and demos are also nice, and plans and pricings are also nice. So this was it, logging into Zoom, and a short video on how to use Zoom. You can just put this personal meeting ID and say join meeting, and then put this and just click enter, so you can join the meeting anytime, and then rest of the things are same. It's just that the host will get all the rights of muting everyone, then adding everyone, etc., etc. So thank you for today. Have a nice day.
Hope you liked my video. Please share your feedback in the comment section and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.